In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your mailbox to Google Workspace, a process that will only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and make this transition smooth and straightforward for you. First, you'll want to head over to Google Workspace. This is where all the magic happens, so get your browser ready and navigate to the Google Workspace platform. Once there, you'll need to access the admin console, which is the central hub for all administrative tasks within Google Workspace. This console is what we'll use to manage and facilitate the migration process. Next, log in using your business email account. It's important that you use the email associated with your business to ensure that you have the correct administrative privileges to perform the migration. After logging in, look to the top right of your screen where you'll see the Google Apps menu. Click on it and within the drop down locate the admin icon. Clicking this icon will take you straight into the admin section of your workspace. Now find the section labeled Data. Click on Data to bring up a new set of options. From there, you're going to need to select Data Import and Export. This is a crucial step as it leads you to the tools necessary for migrating your mailbox. Once you've clicked on Data Import and Export, the next step is to click on Data Migration New. This specific tool is designed to streamline the process of moving your mailbox contents over to Google Workspace. After selecting this option, head over to the section for Google Workspace emails. This is where you specifically indicate the emails you want to migrate. With the list in front of you, find and select Migrate. You'll then be prompted to type in the email address that you wish to migrate. Carefully enter the email address to avoid any errors in the migration process. Once you've done this, click on Request Authorization. This allows Google Workspace to access the mailbox data needed for the migration. Moving on, you'll need to upload migration maps for step 2. Migration maps are essentially the blueprints or guidelines that instruct the system on how to move the data from the original source to its new home within Google Workspace. Upload these maps and proceed to configure your migration settings for step 3. This final configuration ensures everything is set up properly before the migration begins. Finally, after all these steps are carefully followed and configured, you're ready for the last move. Clicking on Start Migration. This button initiates the migration process, transferring your mailbox to Google Workspace. And that's it. With these steps, your mailbox is now on its way to being fully migrated to Google Workspace. Thank you for following along and stay tuned for more tech tips in our next video.